Abikeliman kim kan mapuli yup melohang emojin.
At
least the one thing for now we can all agree on is the soap to use. He likes that it's big and lasts long.
Anti-economy.
I like that it keeps my skin smooth. Ate alina echovu. And the children like that. It smells amazing. Everyone is happy. Movit soap comes in 4 fantastic flavors. Movit family soap is truly soap for the whole family.
Movit. All day confidence.
Pero me pere pakayoke maditi Roma Mali Yomel Sub-County Gulu District.
Waro kumbetini ken gang no bu yugi put peke.
Dulna Fisheries Protection Unit kukati metemo kidakedana mga mako jamigi pitoro chek me mako rech inamkwania.
So we could also try as stakeholders to discourage.
Pero mekayoke madit manchorono poro mateko twali Yomel Sub-County kabir mati Gulu District kama urmapol tika yoke lum dak mapol bekitika yomabe megwakoleo kit machik mayot kom chimo kwere Gulu District tike percent PR ya boro maltie pachorone pachi padan kidong bene pi maleng madana tiyu kwere kincharo duju mai kabirman ento kabirno titiyo marat loya yo Yomel Sub-County ikin Sub-County apawe ya chel duju magitie Gulu District Manuel Dulma Kilungin Mono Friends of Children Circle Uganda goja tutme kunyochron miya chel weko kon luak magikuwa kabirman kibene yopol to wang pimaleng wekeneni guakorwome yot kompalwak magiti Yomel Sub-County Gulu District Kikono Johnny Sani Uchakachon nekeli report mameke iyub melorang emojin.
Kau dore lor mechuron puti perama dit tutual e kabir mukene e Gulu District mawero wijo mukene tika chungwo ingo ma mier ki kon kere kilu te der ya go nene leo me paju churon ka chel kiteng der meta ki fu yugi ayo beru gena chel ma pire tek ma pachi a chel miero bet kwere Jacqueline Namono director me Friends of Children Circle Uganda ki chwin mati kwere ilok me ilu leo bolu chan gucha go getu churon me konyo dok odi mia chel mani Yomel Sub-County kama rom me churon tila penye iye.
We've been coming to this community of Yomel for now 6 years, and we have been realizing so many challenges, but one of the biggest challenges I've realized in this community was the lack of safe latrines. Some people have latrines, but they are in really bad state. They are risky for children and risky for even the elderly users. Even if I want to go and use it, sometimes I'm afraid that it will collapse because most of them don't have roofings on top. So when it rains, it can be wet inside and you can't use them. So they are not safe. Also, I realized that there is a problem of poor sanitation because of this. Some of them go to the bushes because they literally don't have latrines.
Karbet kumeno, lukin gang mukene benengi tiki duon, atiki Francis Omona, darme ogwari bi Yomel Sub-County uteroni, leo me kien gang, putie la kuru pien, luak pe paro, pi yupu leo me gangi, weko mukene, tie la bon churon.
Ka waro kumbetini ken gang no bu yugi put peke. Ka tie tino tie kakamo make onyo iye makarata, makau no danu beru ki chawa ke tombu yugi kono kombeti chawa ni atamni wa o ka kama tuo mogo matiano tiana man ma beno tala dukime yugi ni dong na kidong pol wa wan en man ma watikan enini kai nana wati yuki lobo ka ki ton to ron ki yuki lobo ma po check chui cái đaba chỉ phải tero cái quả chui cho pol cái nào igai cái water tên này nó đang cái choron một vura vura yetie.
Irene Piloya atuno dana makwa ugwari Mel Sub County wajoni machala aduki mechilo lutiana mapol tika nuongo tuo ikin peny kono
bole chalo kulu ne an kalele mamol tiar en tiar iwa wa kulu no miarongo wa matilu chigen go kele wa fonya e an wa fonya wa no ko be chan ke che twompi yar miere teto kai chakonyi ya gulu ke mare chiru ge ono timarai la bole an chalo kulu ke komber chan tang der beno pe jembe ka wa lwa po wa to chuno wa tiki per ma dir ma wa chama ke ching wa dagwa chi ne wok en ke beri dul komber konya wa ke kele wa fonya ke kele wa nyara wa daktari ni ken gang go bion go fonya wa mi beri ki bu yugi mi beri ki tang dero mi beri be ke choron
Charles Suyet entiki dano apara dek ipajone ibulku village kautironi leo megange uno balle tutwal enti ngarachel matika nungo kony magumu mare menongo choron man
an bero kileo meganga kan uno balle tutwal ano ngech mabene karaleo me na machel ki bero ki gwa ko me na machel ay kum choron en wego we shan in la ten in tiki line ishi ken choron gang no peke ginu mo ke ken magwa leo megang madi no peke ki amaro keta un supporting kere an actually fox for total amaro daga tamani kapere kimet gini uchere or covering the entirely sub-county.
Lutela Megulu district giteroni ikum sub-county apara chel kulu matie ene district kuno. Mapul gai pere kichurone iye ayo Mel sub-county kon lokme leon ti pasen maron piara bero via boro i district kuno. Piwan Luo TV, Jonisani Uchagachon, yo Mel sub-county igulu district.
Dul makiloni Electricity Regulatory Authority ira yo machiak mandul manala kompoko majaling tuidi kaber mapole Uganda golego lwak maya chulo miolpege wang majatai karaman me orne yapege wang wakapol majaling tuid makiti ken piny geno wani mono man kela char malit dakbeno weko majberka to tere ken pachi padano piano pol makubu machin mapole kubale wako ikarma wang olum ye oro atirani kumalo me Uganda geno lo kilo cholo kangeya kumalo me Uganda in Northern Uganda Media Center Mano Mekigulu City Chandek la George Pawan Luo TV David Magero Berkuno NTA Kilok Maulil
Itute menerne gi geo lok me wang papol gi geo kupe pa mai chikin ping ikari me man dul magi luoni Electricity Regulatory Authority man ira man dul maneno kid me poko machi lengfich o lego lwak me acholi ni omergo gwoke ki tim me waon pol mach lengfich ma biro machala duoki me chwenyo pia tata ikari man me oro Malupe ki lok palu diru man magiloyo jang dul matiugi gamete mi poko majman kono. Giwajo ni lok me wang ping tika kelo pero me wang papol maji vut ping ma papat. Maman tika balo kid me kubu maj. Gen kono bene gu moko ni poko maji Uganda kono tie ka meda nyim kono maji lengfich. Magi tie ka tichkwere pajo nyo domestic use kono. Otiro a ki megawatts miangwen imakali bario ka pawi ario do o megawatts alibachel ki pier dek imakani. Daniel Olinga matingat madoro jang era igulu kono tero ni pero me wang papol mach putie kin pero mo kene mageo gi tiuti mabe me poro mach.
Some of the bushes are so big, so huge that if the fire comes, they will somehow impact on the pole. So we could also try as stakeholders to discourage the act. I know it's a difficult one because the person anywhere in the north will find people burning bushes, especially during March, the dry season. So I think that answers the issue of the poles.
La diro mo achiel koni ka choke meno utero kit ngech mamere malupe kit magen gi yero kwede pol mach ki kama mer gen gi chibi ie ma wang paping no tie ki geng ilok me kubu mach
by hazard class. We have a standard that the treatment of the pole assumes the pole will be planted in a similar place throughout the country, which is not the case. So out of that study, the first recommendation that was made is that the UNBA standard has to be revised or improved to include hazard class treatment. What that means is that if we know that this particular pole is going to be planted in, say, a wet area, or an area that is subjected to a lot of burning, the chemical treatment and the penetration requirements are different. Because not all poles that are put in areas that suffer from burning actually burn down. There are some that survive. So the standard now is being revised to include hazard class, such that if a pole, we know this area has a lot of termites, the chemical treatment and the process of treatment is tailor-made to ensure that if we put it there, it will not be subjected to the teeth of the termites. If it is put in an area that is prone to bush burning, it will survive. Because we can't be there to control people. And in most cases, these lines run through people's gardens. If people are going to burn to clear for the next planting season, you can't come around and say, please, your pole, don't burn here. It starts from somewhere else. But to address that issue, one, the sectors continuously allowed the use of concrete poles.
Inoni Julius Wandera mati director i corporate and consumers affairs man ngad madoro lok ikom kitma lu nong maj itiu kwere Uganda kigen kono tero gen mawe ko gen gibino kamio fonye bolwak me ko malume Uganda.
What has brought us this time are two things. Number one is to build publicity for our presence within Gulu town. To let electricity consumers know that by the way we are present here, should you have any issues, should you have any concerns, the regulator is present and very close to you. This office was set up here for all the people in northern Uganda. We have previously had a presence only in Kampala. But effective June this year, the board of ERA decided now to open up and go up country. We started by setting up the office here in Gulu. We set up one in Bali. We are setting up one early next year in Barada. And we will go across the country establishing our presence, make sure that we are closer to people who use electricity. So every aspect that relates to consumption of electricity that required the regulator is now going to be responded to or attended to in your own neighborhood, very close.
Inoni kono dulman gitiki mirni luak duchu mergu bera gonya menywa tam dok neon gitieno mergi pok maj duchu iko malo me Uganda ki vut Uganda duchu wek lok me pero pa maj obet pere lokangea iwan luo TV David Magere Igulu City.
Dulmon magamento kerme guakopi man Fisheries Protection Unit man FPU yo machek magitebu dulmon yupref kucha konotimo kija bodan maiti ya pach makimako jame gipe loko mtikide manot chekpe ye nikiti kwere emako red kipi inamkwania ikinamo kena magitilo bu Uganda dulman go maka kenati ye ya engine pa ye ya piri kidong bene morka ikijamo kena magiti kwere me mako tingore kinia kere ki dokpi meterne juk kidang bana yo me chat ne kin mukene mapol itiare gen go lokel wak magiti ya pat ka ben go mi foni kom chek mador makore jelo bu Uganda idio merguti kwere mano pekitoro pen chek melo man ikom mako ki go korech magiti na pat lo bu Uganda kan Jasper Igwel ti ya pat municipality.
O kere charaj maga me mon me UPDF pite Fisheries Protection Unit ma bin berke kar me chala gi nam bin berke kar me mako jam gi me chik kere me de raji chuk pi bal me gin berke kar me to chik me chika me kwa ho chik raj kere chato li apach o mon magi berke kar dong me tim gi ko kiya kun o ye me dok gi jam gi mago ma bin berke kar me mako boni dura mo bera te dara chel me wan kwang kiga me ti apach district ame timo biachara me chik raj kere chato en dang ti kin jo mo bin berke kar me mako je mere en kono tiro ni manno
yo bi ma ye na ni de Pierre beach edve ma para chier chikaraj So kara jona ma yena te kelna kaye landing site. Ate op yo chik. Kaman na me lo kaye te luonga te keta piny. Te ko bani ichawani program magamente peti amede chikaraj. Ya te tenu nu ate chikaraj. Te chako puonya ko dai. Ate buying idea no. Piana na bedo ka ni karo ngam jamina ate chako bedo ke chako planning plan raj. Ame mendong chako nu chiente ado wora kwala ati mingo nu ni yo no do peti alaren kamana dremia puony. Mi ye chani tia yo.
Meja Joseph Sorep Pamober Intelligence Officer ta Dulma Fisher Protection Unit. Ichengaria kono karmeti ya pach kun berker kare mello kirete dera moya kwang papat. Ameti ya pach yuba mobere wang me kaye eno tiro pitimo kichabod jo amo bin berker kare me mako jamigi.
We are also forgiving the motorcycles. If you have a motorcycle which is there, we are forgiving it for today. But at least you have known the law. So today, because we have taught you the law, and we expect you that when we forgive you now, you are going to use them legally within the law. So when we give you, the commander will give you the nets, not the nets. We'll give you the boats, we'll give you the engines, we'll give you the motorcycles, and if you have a vehicle, they will give you the what? The vehicle.
Jammi magi ama bin berke kare me mako kuniti ye engine yedi pipi medekere motor ha pibal me berke kare me toro chik me chikuraj keretero raj siza odie kama bero abo Peter Rachi ya pach man district fishery officer ma pach en kono tero kirango ame jammi magi bin berke kare me dwako mago borwegi mege
yo jo wan dana chol ni wan la metikan kira jo berati bitin ke dochi men nguru jono bero megi har chama meji kere jama gor bayi gor arko bedingo mejo pardon nejo gamko eta bara all the same to metni kon yo mago ba yire ko nuturi ya taka nyu dora ngwen dora bi maka bedi komji no to ko do ke pi akel do feko so mer ko yub kon wando inspecting yen me gir freely at no cost
yi potora me kono bin berke kar me timo e kar mo karo e kom jo me berke kar me toro chik me chikuraj kere chato o potor man na me mon me UPDF pite dul me Fishery Protection Unit berke kar me timo yipi kon te wa ko jo poli ko ni manno jo magi ka ma hi berke kar me podi yora raj kaname do wa ko jo ken kere red magoda don ko tieni man ruini kogi ento karme wan lo television berke karme penyo meja Joseph Sorop Pamober Intelligence Officer te Fishery Protection Unit ka che ko yoba me pod jamagi nu ko me pod jamagi podang dia meda nyimi kom karman en kono ter ni manno
and so that there is no kiboko, we are using the law. So if I meet you with this one on the water, I will just tell you, just in good faith. I don't want us to shout, I don't want us to quarrel. In good faith, you just leave your boat, enter into mine. And we do what? In good faith. Formerly, yes, when FP was introduced into the water, yes, there was some little force that was used, and I think there was kiboko. But ever since Lieutenant Colonel Masetu Kairwa came in, she came in with a directive from the president not to beat people, and kiboko stopped, and there is no kiboko. We are still continuously sensitizing the community, but at the same time we are also enforcing on the water. We are telling people to avoid illegal gear, but at the same time we are enforcing. But at least you see, when you sensitize people, they understand more, and we are seeing already some levels of compliance in the districts that we have gone through. There is some level of compliance, and some fishing communities and some fishermen are avoiding illegal gear.
Imoko kache kom me pod jodong mon me UPDF ite Fishery Protection Unit dong ogiho ko tim gi manako James Tia Mobero won kom me kiga landing site en kono ber kare me moko ngo me kom karman tidong atimere
ai chani dong lot pedia makko dana yipi loro gi rekar mo person e kar dungo yabunam amano ngi makko jo tetere kay police awte teri nyim ko kaw nu penalty me ko kere ite ko kere kur kape nu penalty me ko kere de teru ke buch
lo tie ana dong lo ko kere jo lo Ikwanyo ng'ata pori pi no neno kea ente pori pi mirmere to penone kea no boli pi.
P1 Lo Television, Jasperwell, Iapach District.
Lotela mai kaberamai do town council kaberamati kaberamai do district karki tamni mon government madieto mi bod gento ero medoko municipality me medoko no kergi mamegi chara bichel magiti kaberamai do sub county donguti rojal medugote iteng kaberamai do town council wekla chobet kin mamete kweri ki bod government wek do loke odok kaberamai do town council adit medoro en town council man Stephen Ewalo wan mono pyrotechnic chekela do municipality obokonyo kel don lobo chok bolwak mai tedero ket mamiero bet kwere ke kome ke kono la choj mamewa Michael Onye take report ma obero joge pe yub melorange ma join
Council meka bermaido town council eno teko wokun karachiel kede mok mene no be kinyinyelo ka bederache ke kochweno wards atot ame wektete keny kiromo kwano madala me municipality council ame obedo ikabermaido hotel ena meda otieko gamo kabedere mogo awokun iyateme kabermaido mene no be kinyao kabedo gi wek etwer chobo mit amaker karachiel kede da municipality councillors karachiel kede wegi kumin mels me achiel eno wuokundi kiwacho be kimito kibed i town council me wekte tikeny ka municipality bino wudo kabedo gi da lach
bedo tin council meeting ka chungo menando tin ibedo mobedo kede di oyei kede parishes kede villages ame Kaberamaido sub county omiyowa ame sub county oyebe villages achi apart ame ochwa petition gi kane digiti amito be iduo kane giye meminowa dioko submitting dioko teri council tinga me council o temito municipality magege piko medongo me town kane kede dado ko population wai kane large tot ame romone wawudo municipality
magege one Kaberamaido district Kaberamaido town council bala administrative unit atidi lenga meti district obedo kede neno dilubere kede program apuganti kelo me PDM ama obedo kede lot of challenges mena no be miyo sente utuno bodano me piny pie number meji okyo neno duong tutwal amiyo saiko me PDM otuno bodana jiko mere wartenwa mwakina tot pituno ikom jogo lea mano kenene otambo ket administrative unit a chia part pineno be kete pelo moro meneno be duwe me kumam ametieda odo tiche DI creating administrative units
one commerce me adek me eteme Kaberamaido Francis Echolo wacho be
dia bedo winyo koko a woki boot jo piny dogi yambe gidite mito municipality bedi tema bere e district ma Kaberamaido ame wano ko bedo dioko neno be council me town council liatwero forming municipality automatically gi ame wano ko paido pinyo ko bedo ke councillors na dioko neno be nyomo twero timo igino amoko teko timo da dedede dioko bedo doko yambe villages gi pore doki i town council me forming a municipality and gia me wan ko moko ko yambe kado population and amo mito me forming a municipality nan kala wan ko yambe ko duoko gigi pi jogi wudo mito land coverage be diduong ko wudo revenue points be ditie ko wudo komito wudo population me town council liame twero timero mi wan ko yambe pore villages gi be so that they can even form the other population first of all.
One obedo dioko wudo be kamo consulting kede dioko yamani wabe opore wuok kede villages mogo meketo municipality oko consulting oko ambe nano yaro wudo villages go benyo oko amani wabe opore no kwanyo villages amenyo ameting it town council okwanyo villages kany I parish me Kaberamaido oko kwanyo villages to 100 ametie kamuk so do one teko wali kome municipality
to kamago da tie wegi kome ni mels machiel mogo tieda otieko wokun karachiel kede ngur dik wacho be oweko gi oko nono do digin kimito donyo gida municipality
tikire kwach na oro kun minara donyo
i town council tiene tem bor apat yai ngolo da ko town council ka tie tema woro bala bor paka jo mechielo da tikide koko ye
Kopenati the lemo timo consultation grassroots but LOCs. In fact ango atimo consultation awudo be akowudo jotola chiel kedi kanyare within 2 hours. I mean what be nyomi weko wan diliame o consulting wa mare one tea along the main road doko ketwa o keto villages apart wando kodong chulo obota ningere osama kedi doko sub county apart access dalia yot ne social services as a sub county as a village or services social services or woody sub county mean town council
ikamoti ye yodot ya yodot otie tem bor mara le ametuko mare services le ameoti uri ber boro me pi domi wano kwabe oduogi town council otie yap ke town council
Michael Onyinge P1 TV Ikabremaido district
Kimadio Kolo District Wengfuti West Nile Joshua Masereka Matila Wang President District Meno Olegol Wakme District Mejolo Matek Yub Mekiero Yari Piobe Wekelweni Kumtu Malaria Kayar Kono Yub Mani Otiatel Center Inde Mati Imadio Kolo District Wekenen Ketmelweni Kumtu Malaria Kachel Wakayar Yub Makeluni Mono into residual spraying Man Donkelegol Wakme Katika Yapotogola Gebene Yeni Weklo Tichikum Kiyade Meki oweke duok piny romenya patu malaria. Watika report matut kibot King Bosco Franco.
Joshua Masereka, jadid Aradisimi district mi Madio Kolo, utieka ni kwayo dhano mi district ne, ni nenu ni yagi yabo du udi migi ubedu tuolo, kara wek jokiere ya yat mine guber, man jugeng kude dak patu malaria kude district nem. Lembe ne wechisa me yabo do yiki mikiro yat mine guber, kude ode yat mi inde, irwama miradek, I district mi Madio Kolo.
I launched this exercise of IRC here in this home. I launched it in the name of the President of Uganda, His Excellency Yoweri President Museveni. Please open your doors, we spray and we kick out malaria once and for all, for God and my country.
Silva Kasozi Matioko Kalma neno lem yot ko mosheko dhana mi district mi Madio Kolo ni neno ni ya gifiungo udi mamigi ikare man mango jube shekiri ya yat miriamo ber mano mako genen ya givuto ite tandarua pa ber.
No, malaria is a very big problem, especially with these young ones seated here and our mothers who are expecting, but also everybody, whether young or old. But we are determined to fight against it and win it. And we will do this together, you and us.
Pilambangea maochwin Iwan Luo TV, Kings Bosco, Oringi Dennis, Madio Kolom.
Ilokom turo dun malalokom turo dilio Adoaman Basketball onyofuba yomatek kilogene Federation of Uganda Basketball Association fuba yomatek godio mobe kobo woro turo me play of manitoma division Mario omiono beti marnen bobedo de dwemi achil e mwaka manyen man mako mutima bor manano umergo tuk en metiako kwota me mwaka man meturo oweko tumo kwidi David Magere kele report matuto twale ilokom turo kan iyub milurange mochwiny itikana na wenke wanlu television.
Dul madoro tuko diladon me basketball man dul magiluoni Federation of Uganda Basketball Association yofuba utiro moko pikobo wako tuko me playoffs me division me ario pi mwaka tuko alibario kipiari ngwen wayenel dwe angwen me dwe machel mwaka alibario kipiru beach man way mwaka manyen man kono bino malope ki warga makaran pa dulman yo fuba o choyo ichia dek bot team duchu mao mierno gutuk tuk me playoffs malope gi warga ma Hudson Sega Mwenge man karan pa fuba o choyo kono eno miu nge chutwale bot team abor duchu mano gen gu karo me tuk playoffs me mwaka man ikin team magi choyo warga man bot ga ye man YMCA Basketball Club mati wandege a Kampala, team mukena ye IHOPes Basketball Club, Buckley Basketball Club, Governors Basketball Club, Vegetarian Basketball Club, Charging Rhinos Basketball Club, Emperors Basketball Club, Kimakere University Eagles Basketball Club. Inoni team man magichoni gi warga ni gi turi division Mario me Federation of Uganda Basketball Association me turu me playoffs no tika yenyo ngamo mero beru terapi mwaraman madongi tiro ko ne we mwaramanyen dong turu magi duchu bochake ni andwa ngwen midwe macheli mwaramanyen kono iba mapapa duchu ma mero turu mano time yen man kono time machala doki pe gala nyo alora mo maono gengi wali ni pegiromo geone Uyupo ni turu playoffs kono beru turu madong donyo ileb me gwe dulikiluonik knockouts kama tima chel be magala wore meneno nga maromo chero me beru teha me loegi kobo pe mwaga meno lora nge kum turu Iwan Luo TV David Magere
Afoy tutual neno report meno kelo ya giki yub melorange mochwin kan Iwan Luo television ania Sunday akumo mete kineno waikare duju.